My friend, I opened the last 3 month charts of Filecoin, and absolutely I will tell you to in July what they do. After this, understand my brother, after this 2 minute video, you better understand my brothers to upcoming time what they do in July. Can they will make me a real rich man or not, my brother? So let's get started this video, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification now, my brother. So please subscribe this channel, this is very important. Now my brother, if I predicate this coin, so absolutely you better understand to upcoming time there is a chance that they will move upward or not. So absolutely my friend, in the last 3 days, especially last 7 days, my friend, this coin is in the profit and they will starting moving upward now. But holder, I want to tell you to my friend, especially at the end of this month, and now my friend, they will profit. Every coin is in the profit, but especially last 3 months this coin is completely in the loss. 63.77% the price is decreased now. It's mean my brothers, the price is very badly falls down. You know, especially $85 is the price, my friend, of Filecoin. But you can see my brother, this time they falls down very badly to my brother. No, sorry, $234. But at the same time, their price falls down to $56. So it's a very bad falls now, my brother. And absolutely my friend, they will give you a profit in July, but it's possible, but if my friend holder or hold it, so don't sell it and hold it and wait for a good time. 7% is in the profit, and the same time in the price is increasing now. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. See you next time. Please Filecoin holder, hold it, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.